Hey there everyone, isn't it amazing how the sound of water just makes a space feel more peaceful? Today we're going to embark on a fun and rewarding project, building our very own cement log fountain. Don't worry, this project is much easier than it sounds. We'll take it step by step and I promise you'll be amazed at what you can create. This fountain will be a beautiful addition to your garden, patio, or any spot that needs a touch of tranquility. Are you ready to get started? Let's gather our materials. Every good project starts with having the right tools and materials. Gathering your supplies is a crucial first step. Here's what we'll need for our cement log fountain. Each item plays a vital role in ensuring the success of your fountain. Quick-setting cement mix and water to form the core structure of our logs, cardboard tubes to shape the logs, plastic sheeting to protect your workspace, and gloves for safety, a drill with a masonry bit to create holes for water flow, plastic tubing and a submersible water pump to circulate the water, a sturdy base and a level to ensure everything is aligned, rocks and gravel for stability and a natural look, exterior paint and paint brushes for a realistic finish. Clear sealant to protect your fountain. You can find everything at your local home improvement store. Now let's move on to making the cement logs. Now comes the exciting part, creating our cement logs. This is where your creativity and craftsmanship will truly shine. First, we'll prepare our molds. The shape and size of your molds will determine the final look of your cement logs. Next, we'll mix our cement. Follow the instructions on the cement mix bag, adding water gradually until you achieve a thick, pancake, batter-like consistency. Now pour the cement mixture into your cardboard tube molds. Make sure to fill them up completely. Allow the cement to cure for at least 24 hours. Once cured, you'll have durable, beautiful cement logs ready to be the centerpiece of your fountain project. Section 4. Creating the water's path. Before we assemble our fountain, we need to create channels for the water to flow through. This is where our drill and plastic tubing come in. First, carefully drill a hole through the center of each cement log. Make sure the hole is slightly wider than your plastic tubing. This hole will be hidden inside the fountain, so don't worry about making it perfect. Next, cut your plastic tubing to lengths that will connect your pump to the top of each cement log. These tubes will carry the water up and create that beautiful cascading effect. Watch as the water flows seamlessly through your stunning DIY fountain. Section 5. Building your fountain. It's time to bring our fountain to life. Find a level surface for your fountain and place your sturdy base down. This base will support the weight of the logs and the water. Now let's start arranging our cement logs on the base. You can stack them vertically, create a tiered effect, or even arrange them in a more organic, free-flowing design. Get creative and have fun with it. Use a level to make sure your fountain is stable. Once you're happy with the arrangement, you can secure the logs together using a bit more cement. Finally, turn on your fountain and enjoy the soothing sound of flowing water. Section 6. The heart of the fountain, installing the pump. Now it's time to install the heart of our fountain, the submersible water pump. This is crucial for smooth operation. Place the pump in the base and connect the plastic tubing. This guides the water to the top, creating a continuous flow. Fill the base with water, ensuring the pump is fully submerged. Plug it in and check the water flow. Section 7. Maintaining your fountain. To keep your cement log fountain looking and functioning its best, regular maintenance is key. Here are some tips to help you out. First, check the water level regularly and top it up as needed. Clean the pump and tubing every few months to prevent clogs. Use a small brush to clean the tubing. Keep an eye out for any cracks or damage to the cement logs. Repair them promptly with a bit of cement mix. During winter, drain the fountain and store the pump indoors. Follow these tips to keep your fountain beautiful and tranquil for years. In this chapter, we'll explore some creative ways to decorate your cement log fountain. From adding colorful stones to incorporating LED lights, we'll show you how to make your fountain truly unique. First, consider selecting a variety of colorful stones or glass pebbles to place around the base of the fountain. These can catch the sunlight and add a dazzling effect to your water feature. Next, think about incorporating LED lights. Waterproof LED lights can be placed in the water or around the fountain to create a stunning nighttime display. Choose from a range of colors to match your garden's theme or go for a classic white for a timeless look. You can also use small statues, figurines, or garden gnomes to give your fountain a whimsical touch. Arrange them around the fountain to create a miniature scene that tells a story. Finally, adding some greenery can breathe life into your fountain. Consider using potted plants or small shrubs around the base. If you have a larger setup, you might even plant some water-loving plants in the fountain itself. By adding these decorative elements, you can transform your cement log fountain into a true masterpiece that reflects your personal style and enhances the beauty of your outdoor space. Now, let's talk about seasonal maintenance. Ensuring your fountain remains in top shape throughout the year involves some simple but essential steps. For spring, clean your fountain thoroughly. Remove any debris that may have accumulated over the winter. Check the pump and tubing for any signs of wear or blockages. This is also a good time to check the water levels and refill as needed. In summer, monitor the water levels more frequently as evaporation rates are higher. Clean the fountain regularly to prevent algae buildup. If you're using LED lights, make sure they're still functioning properly and replace any that have burnt out. As autumn arrives, falling leaves can quickly clog your fountain. Use a net or skimmer to remove leaves and other debris. Consider installing a protective cover if your area experiences heavy leaf fall. Finally, winterizing your fountain is crucial if you live in a region with freezing temperatures. Drain the water completely to prevent any damage from ice expansion. Remove the pump and store it indoors. If your fountain is small and portable, you might consider bringing it inside or covering it with a waterproof cover. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, you can ensure your cement log fountain remains a beautiful and functional centerpiece in your garden all year round. Finally, we'll share some troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues with your fountain, these tips will help you resolve them quickly and easily. First, if your fountain isn't flowing smoothly, check for any blockages in the pump or tubing. Sometimes small debris can cause a big problem. Simply remove the blockage and your fountain should be back to normal. If you notice your fountain water is murky or has an unpleasant odor, it might be time for a thorough cleaning. Empty the water, scrub the fountain with a mild detergent and rinse it thoroughly before refilling. Low water levels can cause the pump to run dry, leading to potential damage. Make sure to check the water levels regularly and top up as needed, especially during hot weather when evaporation is higher. Should you find that the pump is making unusual noises, it could be a sign of wear or damage. Inspect the pump for any visible issues and, if necessary, consider replacing it to ensure your fountain continues to function properly. Lastly, if your LED lights aren't working, check the connections and replace any burnt-out bulbs. Sometimes a simple adjustment can bring your fountain's lights back to life. By following these troubleshooting tips, you'll be able to keep your cement log fountain in perfect working order, ensuring it remains a stunning feature in your garden. Section 7. Adding your personal touch. Our fountain is almost complete. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal style. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Use your exterior paint to give your cement logs a natural, earthy look. You can create a realistic stone effect or go for a more whimsical, colorful design. Let the paint dry completely and then apply a clear sealant to protect your work from the elements. To enhance the natural beauty of your fountain, consider adding some decorative elements. Smooth stones, river rocks, or even a few strategically placed plants can create a truly captivating focal point.